Oh, cranberry sauce. The shadow of a turkey is there, a necessity, but no one talk about it. Let's change that this year. Make it better, zestier, fresher, and more refreshing. First, we add 1 cup of water in a medium saucepan and turn on high heat. 1/4 cup of sugar. Wash and rinse 12 ounces of fresh cranberries. Zest 1 large lemon. Now we cut out one side, about 1/3 of the lemon. Set aside for now. Chop 1/2 cup of pecan. You may also use walnuts. Where do you usually shop for pecan? I think Sam Club has great deal. Once the water is boiled and the sugar is melted, it's time to add the cranberries in. Give it a stir, then reduce heat to medium-high. Now the cranberries will start to pop, so to prevent it from splashing everywhere, we want to partially cover the pot with a lid. Now we let it soft boil until most but not all the berries are popped. It takes just about 5 minutes or so. Looks good. Now we remove it from heat, then add in chopped pecan, lemon zest, and squeeze in juice of 1/3 of the lemon. Cranberries contain pectin, a natural thickener. The longer we cook, the thicker our sauce will be. The sauce will also get thicker when it cools down. Give it a good stir, let it cool down for a bit before popping it into the fridge. Leave it there for a couple hours before serving. If stored properly, it can last up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator, but I don't see why it becomes leftover. It is too delicious. Alright, I hope you give this cranberry sauce a try this holiday season. Also, you may want to check out my comprehensive guide to prep, roast, and carve a turkey. Anyway, thank you for watching. Any question, feel free to let me know in the comments. Happy holidays. Bye.